All right, it's John here. I just got done with the training class with Universal, and I learned how to trade with the banks. It was amazing. I had always wanted to learn how to trade, and I've been trying at it for a while on my own. I finally got smart and realized I needed help, and I reached out, and Universal was there for me, and they did an amazing job. By day 3, I really had a full grasp of everything. And I just want to encourage you guys, definitely put it on your list to do if you're serious about being successful, about trading with the banks, knowing what the banks are doing, what areas price is turning around in, and where to get in just at the right time. Anyway, it was awesome. So thank you, Mr. Lee, for that.